How to enable approval to join Instagram group chat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to enable approval to join Instagram group chat. So always make sure that you are a admin of that particular group chat to enable this option. So simply tap on this messenger icon from over here and just select any of the random or group chat which you have already created. So once you're inside here, just select this group name, and when you go over to this privacy and safety option, as you can see, there is no option currently now, as it has been removed by the Instagram from over here. So what you can do is just come back and simply select the people or members, and you can see the option to see or enable require approval to join. So just tap on this and enable it. So from now, whenever if anyone tries to add a new person, the admin will get the notifications saying the requirement for the approval of that particular person to join. So unless and until you don't accept them, they cannot join to your group. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.